Okay, so I take the zip tie and I put it in the middle, and I leave about almost an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch at the bottom. Have it in the center. On the long piece, and then I take the short piece with the sticky side up and I cover the bottom completely. And you make this long enough just to cover the zip tie, but you want it equal with the bottom, and then at the top you want it just to cover the zip tie. Because when you put this in the dog's ear, this part up here will flip over the tip of the dog's ear and hold it secure. Then you turn these over, and on the short end here, flip that like that. Take your 1.5 inch piece of back rod with the Luca tape on it, and about halfway, and then roll it over. Do that for both pieces. Oh, and then I forgot to get another piece like about that big. And see how the sides are open on